In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the location on your Google business profile. Having accurate business information on your Google profile is essential for customers to find you easily. Whether you've moved to a new address or simply made a mistake that needs correcting, this process will help you ensure everything is up to date. First, you'll want to navigate to the website business.google.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you get there, you'll see an option in the upper right corner prompting you to sign in. Click on it and you'll be asked to sign in using your Gmail account. Make sure to use the email associated with your business, as this is crucial for accessing your correct profile. If you've already logged in before, you'll be taken straight to your business page, which makes the process a bit quicker. However, if you're not automatically directed to your business page, don't worry. You can simply head over to Google search and type in either your business name or the phrase My Business. This step will help you navigate to your profile without any hassle. Once you're on your business page, you'll see an edit profile icon on the left side. Click on this icon to proceed to the next step. Inside your profile settings, look for the section titled Business Information. From there, you should see a heading labeled Location. Clicking on this is your gateway to making changes to your business address. Now that you're in the right place, look for the pencil icon next to your business location. Clicking this will allow you to edit your address. Carefully enter your new address here. Take your time to ensure that all the details are correct, including street name, number, and postal code. A small mistake could lead to big inconveniences, so double check your entry. Once you have accurately entered your new location details, the final step is to click on Save. This action updates your business profile with the new address. Keep in mind it might take a little while for these changes to appear in Google searches, so don't be alarmed if you don't see them immediately. That's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully updated your Google business profile location. This small task significantly improves your business's visibility online, enhancing the likelihood of potential customers finding your new location without any confusion. Thank you for following along and happy managing.